Centroid of plane area. Centroid has a geometric center of a line, area, or volume. The center of mass means gravitational center of a line, area, or volume. The centroid and the center of mass coincide when the density is uniform throughout the part. Determining the centroid of an area using integration involves finding weighted average values of x and y by evaluating these three integrals. Integral of area, then the q of x, then the q of y. Then we'll take up example. Determine the centroid of a rectangle with base 6 cm, height 8 cm. So your solution DE equals to h dx. Centroid is x bar x, then you have that 1 bar y. So for DE equals to the integral of y dx. Or in this case it is h. So your E equals to hx 0 to 6 equals to 8 times 6 equals to 48. Your qx equal to integral of y dE equals to h all over 2 h dx equals to h square all over 2 times x. Limit from 0 to 6 equivalent to h square times 6 all over 2 equals to 64 times 3. And yung qy equals to integral of x dE equals to x h dx equals to h x squared all over 2 equals to this one is from 0 to 8. 6 squared times 8 all over 2 equals to 36 times 4. So yung bar x, centroid bar x, qy all over E equals to 36 times 4 all over 48 equals to 3. Centroid bar y equals to qx all over A equals to 64 times 3 all over 48 equals to 4. Find the centroid of the area bounded by a curve y squared equal to 4x and y equal to 2 and x equals to 0. So this curve is y squared equal to 4x. So this x, this one is y, intersection 2, 2, origin. This one is dy, this one is y from origin, then this one is y over to the line y over 2. So how to solve this one? dE, so solution, dE equals to x dy, or A equals to integral of x dy, or A equals to integral from 0 to 2 x dy, where x is equals to y over 4. So A equal to the integral of 0 to 2 y squared over 4 dy equals to y cubed all over 4 times 3, 0 to 2 equals to y cubed all over 12, 0 to 2 or equivalent to 2 cubed over 12 equals to 2 all over 3. But x sub c equals to 1/2 x. Y sub c of the centroid equals to y. So we have this one. E bar x equals to integral of x sub c dE equals to 1/2 integral of 1/2 x times x dy equals to integral of 0 to 2 1/2 x squared dy equals to 1/2 integral 0 to 2 x squared dy. So equals to 1/2 integral from 0 to 2 y squared over 4 square dy equals to 1/2 integral from 0 to 2 1 over 16 y 4 dy, or equivalent to 1 over 32 y fifth all over 5 0 to 2 equals to 1 over 32 times 1 over 5 times 12 times 8 times 2 equals to 32 over 32 times 1/5 equals to 1 over 5. Centroid bar x, E bar x equals to 1 over 5. for bar x equivalent to 1 over 5 over 2 over 3. For bar x equals to 1 over 5 times 3 all over 2 or equals to 3 all over 10. A bar y equals to integral of y sub c dA, where y sub c equals to y. So A bar y equals to integral of 0 to 2 square root of 4x times x dy. Equals to integral of 4, this one is A bar y, times x to the power 3 all over 2 dy equals, but x equals to y squared all over 4. So this one equivalent to 2 integral of y squared all over 4 0 to 2 then to the power 3 halves dy equals to 2 over 4 to the power 3 halves integral of 0 to 2 y squared to the power 3 halves dy. So equivalent to 2 over 4 times 2 integral 0 to 2 y cubed dy equals to 1/4 y to the power 4 all over 4 0 to 2 equals to 1 over 16 2 to the power 4. So it is equivalent to 16 all over 16 equivalent to 1, and A bar y equals to 1 equals to 1, so y is equals to 1 all over A equals to 1 all over 2 over 3, and bar y equals to 1 over 1 times 3 all over 2 equals to 3 all over 2. Find the centroid of figure below. So solution. Total area equals to 6 times 4 plus 4 times 2 equals to 32. For x, for bar x, so A bar x equals to 24 times 3 plus 8 times 4, so equals to 72 plus 32. So bar x equals to 72 plus 32 all over 32 equals to 13 all over 4. 4 bar y. E bar y equals to 24 times 2 plus e times 5 equals to 48 plus 40 equals to 88. So bar y equals to 88 over 32 equals to 11 over 4. So centroid bar x bar y is at 13, 4, 11, 4.